Hey, José Silva Jr. here from Wonderful Machine, and today we're going to talk about a web template customization for a Buffalo-based photographer, Stephen Gabris. Stephen has a bold and interesting work, but really needs a help on how to better present it. And we're about to begin the process, and I'm going to guide you through what's not working and how we're going to improve his website with some new features, new styling, make sure it's not only beautiful but also user-friendly. So starting on the navigation, as you can see, there's no visual hierarchy. Like the logo looks too small, making hard to read, the tagline below and the menu items are misaligned and looking unbalanced. So scrolling through galleries, the images look a little too big and the spacing between them too small. So images are the core in a photographer website, so we're gonna take special care of them. Make sure they not only are enhanced individually but also cohesively placed together. So Stephen has a personal project and the page includes a title and description in the same size. So using different sizes for title and descriptions, it's not just an aesthetic choice, but it's a key principle of visual hierarchy, which guides how readers can process and prioritize information. So that's going to be adjusted in a new site for sure. Moving on, his about and contact page also concern me. They are missing the opportunity to better layout. So as you can see, the content looks pushed to the left, creating a big blank space on the right and also looking unbalanced. Lastly, there's no footer on this website. And as you may know, or if you don't, a footer is in a portfolio website is not just afterthought, it's the final impression. So that's what the user can see as the last thing on your site. And of course, we want it to make easier for them to take the next step, like typically to check out your social media or to send you an email or actually to see the copyright. And yeah, that's going to be implemented for sure in the new site too. So yeah, when you come back, you see the new portfolio and then the decisions we'll take to make it looking better and to improve the user experience overall. Hello again, José Silva Jr. here, and today we'll cover the after of the web template customization for Stephen Gabris. You'll be able to see the changes we've made and the look of his new website. Just a side note, during the process, Stephen expressed concerns about his current logo, so we did select a sleek and modern and bold font named Terminal, by the way, and we created a color palette to support it. So the font selection was really based to have something that would serve as a logo. And then, yeah, moving forward, we opted for a fully white background. Initially, the logo is on a dark, desaturated blue, changing to pink on hover. So for the menu, we designed a burger navigation, same as the mobile devices. It reduces the visual clutter on the header, making the design look more elegant and also less overwhelming. So when open, the navigation has a pink background with the text centered in white, with clickable links in a dark blue on hover. We also did a little coding to include the social icons in a relatively good size and the copyright at the bottom. So when scrolling, the logo anchors at the top, but it shrinks, maintaining the brand presence without wasting any space. And then moving on to the gallery, so we kept the gallery grid style as the old template, but with more breathing room between the images. And we added a little zoom in on hover to make it more dynamic. When clicked, they open in a light box with a pink background, and the navigations to previous and next images are more visible than we have in the old template. So we used the same approach across all the other galleries for having like a more consistency. We also decided to have a page dedicated to Stephen's project. They were displaying in 3 columns, and once you hover the project, it shows the title overlaying, and when opening, they display the project title aligned to the left and above the images. So, and moving on to the text pages, so both the About and Contact pages were layouted centered. The About includes his headshot and bio, and a separating to his client list. A little note about the footer inexistent in the old site. So we added the copyright and the social and email icons for an easy access. And in the contact page, we placed his actual contact information and a little map indicating his location. And that's Stephen's new portfolio. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for the next project.